How to fix cannot install app. You're not eligible to install new apps from store.epicgames.com. Hello everybody. If you're having this kind of error message, you may follow up this method in order to fix it. So close your particular browser from where you're getting the error message and head over to the main settings of your device. After you head over to the settings, the first thing you can check is your connections. So head over to connections. And after that, see if you're connected to a proper internet connection or not. If not, you may try switching up networks and mobile data. After that, in your own settings, head back, and from the given options, you may scroll down and look for the option called General Management. Go ahead and tap on it. After heading over to General Management, go over to Date and Time. And after going over to Date and Time, we have this automatic date and time. So if this option is enabled, you may turn it off and set up a different time. So tap on Set Date. After that, select up a different date from different time zone, including that set up a time as well, and see if that works. Apart from that, you may also try changing the language into a different country. Tap on Language and switch up your language as well. And if that also does not work, you can head over to Apps section first. And after going over to Apps, you may head over the browser in which you are trying to log into Epic Games. Or you may directly open up Epic Games as well. For example, Chrome, open it up. And then once you open it up, from here scroll down. Go over to Storage option. And from here clear the cache. And also clear data if necessary. After that, head back. And once you head back, you need to look for software update as well. So if any kind of update is available for your device, go ahead and update your app to the latest version and see if that works. Apart from that, you may also try restarting your device, and that's it. So for now, you may follow up this method and let us know in the comments if that works. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.